Do you want to get all of the latest iPhone features and performance improvements? Well, I'm going to show you how you can do that in this simple video. In this video, we'll learn how to update to the latest iOS 17.3 software update on your iPhone. This will only take us a couple of seconds, and after this video, you will have the latest version of iOS, and with that, you'll get the latest features that Apple released. iOS 17.3 brings a couple of new important updates, including stolen device protection, collaborative Apple Music playlists, improved crash detection, and many more things. In order to update your iPhone, you want to open the settings on your device, and then we will tap on this general section right here. Now, tap on the software update section that's right under the About section. When you get to this page, you're going to see the iOS 17.3 software update in here, ready to be downloaded. But if you don't see the update in here, then you can check back later or tomorrow. But if you still don't see the update, then check out this list and see if your device is on here. If you don't see your iPhone model on this list, then iOS 17.3 is not available for your device, and you can't download and install it. But if you do see the software update, simply tap on the Update button and wait a couple of minutes until the update installs on your iPhone. I will be doing a couple more videos on this update, the new features, and all that other stuff, so make sure to subscribe to App Tutor in order to see those videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.